How to set up iCloud backup in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up iCloud backup on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Let's get started. First, open Settings. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Check Available iCloud Storage. You'll see a summary of your iCloud storage usage. Ensure you have enough space for backup. Enable iCloud Backup. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Toggle the iCloud Backup switch to turn it on. To perform an immediate backup, tap Backup Now. Wait for the backup to complete. You can check the progress at the bottom of the screen. Check backup settings for apps. Go back to iCloud settings. You'll see a list of apps and data that are backed up to iCloud. You can toggle off apps you don't want to back up or leave it as is. And that's it. You've successfully set up iCloud Backup on iOS 18.1. Now your data is securely backed up and ready to restore whenever you need it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.